another video. For today's video, guys, we are going shopping. Ayan, would you like to go shopping, girl?
Yeah!
Where would you like to go shopping?
I would like to go to shopping is Walmart and Costco.
Costco. Okay, maybe we're gonna get something at Costco. Oh, Dada is here.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to my seat and we are gonna see you at Costco. Bye!
We're going to go shopping, going to Costco and see what we can get if not everything is already bought up, you know.
It's Black Friday. They should have a lot
We were
of
just
stuff.
going to get an 85-inch TV, but then I read the Bible, the kids' Bible, to them the other night, and they opened up to the rich man that wanted bigger barns and bigger and better things, and I said, you know what, we don't need that TV now.
Yo, we have 2 TVs already and it's
We don't
huge.
need a bigger TV. We need to serve God. Right now, God has blessed us. We have food. We can pay our bills.
You pause.
Because you cut the video anyways, right?
So that's it, guys. So yan, abangan nyo kami. Let's see kung ano yung mapapamili namin sa Costco and Walmart.
Walmart?
And
Oh no.
Are we
I gotta go to Walmart. I don't want to go to Walmart.
I thought we were gonna go to Walmart too.
No, I just want to go to Costco.
Oh no.
Oh, you want Walmart? Okay. We go to Walmart.
We are here at Walmart and we're going to get clothes! I'm so excited, guys!
Hey boy. You just woke up? You just woke up, huh? Try it on.
For Christmas!
Yeah, for Christmas, girl. So I think this one is cute and keep me on.
They look so nice and
Yeah, we're looking for a boots, shoes. What shoes do you like, girl? No. Oh, right there, girl. Look.
These might be in my size.
This is gonna be your size. Let's see.
$99.
We're gonna get this one. Get this one. We're shopping a lot. What?
You can get anything.
That's $40.
Guys, look at my phone.
Phone?
Yeah, phone.
No, we have phone at home. Oh, nice. Early Christmas present. You like it, baby? You like those? Look, I see Anna and Elsa over there, girl. Daddy, a hug, boy.
Why not? You need a daddy. Everybody needs a daddy. Everybody needs, right? Everybody needs their relationship with their daddy.
Getting some meat.
Expensive.
Yeah. $9, $12. It's a ribeye steak, hon. We're done shopping. Ayan. So, ayan. Natapos ni mag-shopping. Kain natin. Ang daming tao, guys. Nakaka-stress mag-shopping.
Hi guys, how are you doing out there? We just got back from Costco the other day, and we got some stuff that we want to open for you guys to try and give you some entertainment and see what you guys think about these products. Well, the first one we got here is air purifier.
Air purifier.
Because we got really stinky air here. When we cook fish and all that, it just, it lingers.
Stinking the whole house.
The whole house stinks. So
Let's see, I'm so excited.
this is one big air purifier. I don't know how good it performs, but we're gonna find out. Oh, there's an oil tray. You can put some special oil in the air. Yeah, like some honey.
Oh, I like that. I like lavender.
I found it.
I like that honey oil. But set that up later.
Next, what else did we get, hon?
Next, we got this new blender. It's
I
called
like this one.
the Nutra Bullet.
Yeah, I guess we like making shakes in the morning.
Now, I don't know. See what else it came with. Warranty registration card. Comes with some instructions and recipes, which is good, handy for you guys.
That's what I like.
Blender.
I think this is the one that goes with it. Look, hon. Is it made from China?
It's made out of plastic.
It doesn't say anything.
Caution. Made in China. No, just joking.
Oh, I would love to try this one tomorrow.
Do not blend hot or
Cold?
carbonated
Drinks?
ingredients.
Oh, okay.
That's
And that's it? That's a big box.
Stuff.
Oh. Oh, nice.
That lid. This thing looks kind of weird.
What is that for?
I don't know.
What is this for?
You have more than one use, and you have the blender. We got a blender finally.
New blender.
This is like to, crush stuff or push stuff down, or you could threaten your kids with it. As
Yeah, when you're being a bad girl, we can use this like a pow.
And we also have down here.
Is it the main?
Oh, the blender itself. There it is, guys. Nice, huh? Yeah, new blender, and we didn't have to pay $500.
How much this one? I forgot. 70?
It was $70.
It's only 70, guys.
The other one, they were
$70.
trying to sell the Vitamix blender.
For 400.
It was $500, $100 off, $400.
Yeah.
And then
And that's the last one that we got. I don't know why did you get this one though, but
we got this one. Pyrex. This is to store food and an early Christmas present.
that's not my Christmas present.
Yeah, we
Nice. It's beautiful. Look at that, guys.
nice glass.
Dito nyo ilalagay kung ano mga gusto nyo ilagay. Ilagay nyo sa sa ref nyo. Para ano yung mga ulam, mga leftover food.
Yeah, we always have it. We're quarter collectors of
Isang set siya.
leftover food.
Marami siyang ano. Maganda siya guys. Ang dami nyung pwedeng gawin. At saka maraming laman. Look, it's 18 pieces.
18 pieces?
For $19 only, right? It's like $19 and something. Like, oh, it's $20. 1,000 pesos. But it's worth it, guys. It's
Hey,
really good. Good.
Made
It's
in
nice.
the USA.
And it's not made in China. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Pang ano, sausawan, ganyan. Gusto nyo magtabi-tabi na ng sausawan. It's so cute. I'm glad we got this.
This one.
For guacamole. For guacamole sauce. It's so nice. I can't believe it's only $19 or $20.
Hey, we should get one
For Jackie.
for Jackie and Mom for Christmas.
Oh, look at
Another
this.
one.
It's so cute. Ang liit-liit niya.
Lit.
Oh, so cute.
You do? Well then, Merry Christmas.
Christmas present.
You know, the best type of Christmas presents are the ones that you both can share.
Yeah.
Now,
Only
dinner
one.
time.
This one.
let's get the chef back in the kitchen here. Well, that's what we had for you today. I just want to say thank you for tuning in and watching. Don't forget, Jenna, what do they need to do?
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe
And
to our
hit-
channel.
And hit that subscribe button and
Ring the bell right down there.
and ring the bell. That's what little Jenna said. So,
Thank you.
thank you.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Rocking